Hey everyone, I need to be kind of quiet here because I recently just had a conversation with the head engineer of BMW, and he was saying that there's a way to make your 335i as fast, if not faster, than an M3 with this one simple upgrade. And that's add a carbon fiber spoiler. See, the reason that we have to be so secretive is because this one simple trick will take you less than 5 minutes. It costs less than $100, and it will save you over, I don't know, what, $30,000 to $40,000 from buying an actual M3. Literally all it takes is cleaning the trunk a little bit. Mine had a ton of pollen on it. You just take off the little adhesive strips, you slap this thing on, and boom, you've got at least 550 brake horsepower to the wheels on a 335i. That's crazy. Now, I don't know about you, but I do think it looks pretty cool. The back end has always been a little, I don't know, empty, so to speak. And the blue and carbon fiber is just fire. So I don't know, this does change the personality of the car a little bit, and it may not be for everybody, but I don't know, hell, it did just kind of restore it slightly and give it a nice little sporty look. Anyway, I gotta make this one quick, guys, because I'm about to drag race a Ferrari Enzo, and I think we both know who's gonna win.